Any Kwasi Godbod in Yimpaya, ya they tell much to succeed. We must actually sack all of them there right now. For
Mama akwaba wofre me adwoa searching ebusia for mesrel and no first time I would ehwe me a mesrel na wa subscribe me a notification bell no so for more news. Akwasi Mensa a journalist na ode ensem bi atodwa a okere say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama should sack all the executive members working at Godbod with immediate effect, including the CEO himself, Sami Jenfi. Na ansa na mede ensem a owura Akwasi Mensa aka ebebro no yentie nsemhu bi a Sami Jenfi ewo opposition no odi anase nsemhu a Sami Jenfi ekai
biso NDC for kra mo pekasa emfa me ho efa ho because e kana ba beto no why na betua eno na yewura to force ya kire mu no ye ene ye betua this aban ne so mo de tuo bi beba ye ba betua sika se Bank of Ghana agunti ye ntuatua to ne ye ngege ne yemfa nkoso o masen na why na di sika na ama Bank of Ghana agu no
ebusiafo Sami Jenfi na okasa no and they Sami Jenfi e kire se Godbod no eyo no na nabusiafo dia Godbod no eyo no Sami Jenfi dia inti se wa boka Ghanaians have no right to talk about it or we have no right to criticize him. Sami Jenfi ni refi abra owo opposition insemhu na sebio Kwasi akeka Sami Jenfi ekekan e wo Ghana ha and the Sami Jenfi criticize ne kakra na che se Ghana fu na sorry journalist fu na etia se wo criticize Sami Jenfi and the Sami Jenfi untouchable e wo Ghana ha. A sensitive administration like Godbod. She a car omwa boho. Losses are koso. Abusianfu show. An institution like Godbod. Sami Jenfi aboka $1.7 billion. We should not talk about it. Like seriously. Yeti ensema ura Akwasi Mensa ede atujani asasomra.
any Kwasi Godbod in Yimpaya, ya they tell much to succeed. We must actually sack all of them there right now for failing. Because to me, Godbod was the game changer. It was not supposed to fail. On my more to gold all these years. A man crofo we are more man for credit to me, we are good to me got on board and I don't know. But when I say who created board for it, yeah. Or board no focus now should be in such a way, say all the loopholes, Ninan, yeah.
I see,
yeah.
Godbod failure. Two things to me from where I sit. One, propaganda, and two,
yeah.
Upon Chroma started say honorable started or sounded alarm.
Yeah.
Okay. Because it was preview to what Baumia did for the gold purchase. And only a mistake with the gold for oil. So they had all those things and they went back to the table, withdrew everything.
Yeah.
He wasn't listened to.
Yes. That is why I'm saying they need to be sacked.
Okay.
They don't need prayers to continue. You don't go me bear masamia. As you could say, and you already ye bumpire say, or more Godbod as we speak piano. Wa pekwan be say mama many so nyom mfro de a awrade wa pekwan be so yom mfro minka so nkomo but obetumi ya ma nipa na resign nya me de say dotumi ye bebre no but say yes am empire entawo much against principality one of the principalities and powers of darkness the meaning so nyankopon friend no wa some I don't know friend no friend say you so o ba you we so kata na ne hu no he principalities and darkness and people in high places and wa kan that is laughable, Archbishop. Bruh. How? We are not the old boy in a hindsight. Now then, I'm saying, Minim Krana. As soon as in the chassis. But I'm say, oh, mama share good for oil exchange, go for honey in Baumia town, or more from my manner. Omniho. It's your tea gold body. Say, fast uncle for the back whom you look at home, say, yeah, my gold, I want some year came to back home, yen 5 year heard it be here. Not guiding. It didn't say something Fini and P staff from one Edma. Oh, word. Abra. Omo making losses 200 million we the big gane isi agba onim omo loss no e bia omo pamo omo free ho ani be hu no kure wo mu e kam ya say enye trading per se na e omo so called agents na omo sa omo so omo beto gold ma omo e no omo sika na kese omo akoto gold na boarding e wo artisans ne nsasem omo beto no fofofo emum ama Bank of Ghana
and a part of it they say gold no is a refined gold.
Yes.
So
you know,
you might see say gold, but the purity and the impurity
has not been tested yet.
Yeah.
Testing no. And
but most of the loss is because of that.
Adentia because the more confirm conform adena ase eno mode.
Now, personally, I have some questions to ask His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. My first question, and I say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, with all due respect, what is the essence of the gold board in Amote? Mote gold board, just to keep the city strong. And as a multi gold board, send a beya sike bebano, modibeja inchinimbano. Because I don't think far. Minim say gold, Ghana dia. Inti multi gold board nede, na nka mo beye, die binsi Ghana da, na mo collapse NPP party no. But gold board no woho. Nanso ene free SHS, kamya kwa yese, eya jego. Sami jemfi ne numto, osi gold no, waton 6 billion US dollars. Some say what on gold 6 billion US dollars so. Nanso ende akwan fa enye wo Ghana ha. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama from 2012 to 2016 to 2024, 2026, even 2027. His Excellency by this time wa wudi ne bin si da. NDC fui almost try no TV so radio so gold board no sami jemfi a game changer. Just say wa beti gold board no mo atin just say sending yama. Yenso ye hu hwe. Sami Jemfi also what on gold 6 billion US dollars. And so ende graduates our real school abutifie. Na ka teacher training krade uwie ya na ka wadwuma eda ho twen and so ende amembu boninti teacher training for egufie nurses for egufie omo esu adentia agenda 111 wo ho a esese gold scan bi no mo de besiesie na mo afem ofre adwuma no mo enye sika na mo school mo koy na anye kwa no mo seda mo de sika no ehye economy ni mo and they koko akuafo His Excellency the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ebefa koko no from 400 cedis to say 600 cedis at the bar 3001 NDC fu mo betu mfuturu egu Ghana fo ani se mo de koko no ebeko 7000 mo ba ya mo abete so ako 2001 na mo ati gold board etumi aton gold way saa sika ya Sami Jemfi kan ekwa 2025 o ya ba 2026 ya ko 2027 na gold board no mo ti gold board ni sa mo de ye me pesa question pesa mo bisa munyima no what is the essence of gold board na mo say no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na Sami Jemfi mo ati gold board eton gold mo etimi akobo besia akwan enye ende ufi ye friend say kaswa Eko Accra Kaneshi Circle wherever Dansoman Junction ebusiafo ehwa ye pita enti Ghana fo mpanefo mpacho mo fakrom ana mo fakrom sometimes mutu car e cruise ana cruising no mo cruise bi aya munya time na mutu car na mo fakrom na mo hwe mo ani suade amembu amubu wo manyimu amembu amu ati gold board etumi eton gold millions of dollars na ye hu hwe gold board no sika beba no moton na mo de egu system ni mu se na cedi no ebeye strong na dollar no stabilize and so and the dollar na stabilize and so economy no enko yie yentumi ntad wo Ghana ha yentumi ndidi wo Ghana ha His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, with all due respect, from Accra to Kumasi Road, Senkawe Rianka and Sion. I said it yesterday and I am repeating it today. From Accra to Takrady Pine, His Excellency, Senkawe Rianka and Sion. Of course, Yaja to say NPP for no more useless. Yemfanesa and Ghana for a sack. His Excellency, say NDC need be or Ghana ha. NDC member, NDC executive, NDC whatever, including His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Omo akasame ye sure so omo tifie. And as this omo na so omo odua, they think about Ghana. Omo akasano, they think about what they are putting Ghanaians through. We are really suffering in this country. Now one of the your friend is a region say what Ghana hanoma SSN can live in a high, a Accra. From Kaswa to Accra, and I say Kaneshi or whatever to circle and I say baby Dansoman Junction, His Excellency, a wire time ankasa. A wire wall ankasa se Ghana fun penifo mu bua membu ni se mu fa kro ba ye pese ye catch them say Dansoman Junction, a wire time. Into God says a 60 billion na. A friend say the billion 60 billion. 6 billion na Sammy Jemfi se wa ton. Yes, Rena. Yes, Rena. On Febi. And share economy ni mu. Na yentimi mfa ya akwan. Economy no sikambre nipa botom. Na just taxes and this if one segu yenso a yetua wo Ghana ha no. Unimaginable. Just yentimi ntiase. Taxes are yetua. Water bill yentimi ntia, electricity yentimi ntia, and the wood to me to light 100 cedis 2 days na asa. I try 3 days. And also AC crowd and the can one. Mimiti, I want him in pay since me AC crowd, but some crana men sorry. Ninya video I mean so me AC. Into AC. Oh, yeah, the pre not just a light asa. 6 billion gold US dollars gold na mo aton. E wa hemfa. Godbod na mo ten enfasre wo so and the same. Na Sammy Jemfi a game changer. And na Sammy Jemfi yade. And na kwadaketwa. And na Godbod one or one nya. Na na jam to a journalist who way penny who out TV so okay Kwasi aseme. Sammy Jemfi Godbod ni si. Godbod no mo ten si ka o mo aton e wom God o mo aton e den no mo atimi dia yob am obanye. Say God wey na wo ho na mo atimi akoton. And na Ghana ti say. Na mpese me bi say NDC for say inti omo ba be mo ko 2 years o metumi ahwesoro ahwa asase so agi kosua edinsi akantem so omo nkobo obesia se mo akobo besia de a ene na we are sorry to say Ghana ye fail na Ghana enyenye bio se NDC ne beba se NPP ne beba Ghana enyenye NDC for adenti na motisa wo manyimu Send NPP for omu nye no omu ban omu no omu ti Godbod and any poor down aton gold and to say and come here sure say Ghana by this time asesa and this for Ghana for yem yodrum and no mine no ekoye or mine ekoye they are lying to you. Of course, me mean to have my NDC, but His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and NDC for Mubu Omaye Ghanaians, and I said the NDCs are lying to you. Ghana ni be bien ho adwuma man hu Ghana ni be bien ho onto aba Ghana ni be bien ho ye neutral wo Ghana ha no wo bekasa amambu we ekoyie ti se mu NDC fo na Mubu Oman na wo Sammy Jemfi wo abokas 1.7 billion US dollars na ye ka we shouldn't talk we shouldn't criticize you because you are Sammy Jemfi a chick of it